We're going to London. I'm in London. Wait, Harry Styles, where are you? This is such a vibe. 12-year-old me would be screaming. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering why I'm traveling around and not staying at home, and it's because I don't have a visa to live in the US, but I live in the US, and basically you can only be there for a certain amount of time, and my time is running out, so I need to be in another country that's not the US until I can get my visa, because everything's closed right now. So that's why I am not in the US, because like my time is running out to live there. But that's why I left the US for a month. Was that a good explanation? I don't know, but basically all the visa offices are closed right now, I think. Yo, we out.
Hey guys, so we just got $200 worth of stuff from the airport. First we got AirPods. Next we got eggs. Then we got toothpaste. Then we got water that puts you to sleep. It's called dream water. You drink it, knocked out. Anyways, we're waiting for our flight right now.
We're going to London. The amount of stress that I went through for this trip, the amount of money that has gone to this trip, the amount of COVID tests that have gone to this trip, too many, but it's happening. Oh my God, we just got informed that there's 2 rows that are just empty in the middle. I can fully lay out if I want. And I'm gonna, the feet. The shoes are coming off.
The feet fetish are gonna be so happy.
It is currently 11:44 LA time, PM LA time, and I am up and I'm ready. Because currently it is 7:44 AM London time. Anila, she's currently sleeping, but it's okay. Alright, so they gave me a little lunchbox, cheddar and tomato croissant, non-fat yogurt, water. Let's try this wee croissant. Kind of flavorless, but I'm gonna eat it. Get this, check-in time was 2 o'clock. The cleaner just left. It's currently 5 o'clock. So it was 3 hours past checkout, but honestly, I don't mind. We took a 1-hour nap. I had the craziest dream. I got drugged at a frat party. I've never even been to a frat party, so I don't know why that was the case. Anyways, I took a shower, which, oh my God, so nice. But I'm like just settling in right now, and it feels so nice to just like relax, because I'm gonna be calling this place my home for the next like 2 weeks at least. So I took a shower and I set some of my stuff up. That's just a bunch of Venus stuff because they're my love. I love Gillette so much. And then I set up my makeup here, my perfumes and washes there, all my bigger stuff like moisturizers, self-tan, hair care. In here I'm just currently putting my toothbrush, all that stuff, and I have a whole bunch of clothes. Okay. I have a whole bunch of clothes on the ground that I need to put away, but my shoes are here, my electronics are set up here. Still need to figure that out, but I also just put all my jewelry away. I literally brought my whole jewelry set because I think jewelry is so important, so we got that, but I need to put all my clothes away. We're so centrally located, which is super nice. I'm so excited. The weather has been amazing today. Like, I didn't think that it was gonna be sunny, but it's sunny. I'm in London. This is crazy. Whoa. I'm gonna bump some music on my speaker right now, and I'm just gonna start cleaning. I'm so glad I brought this tripod. I came here to work. I feel like I'm living main character energy right now. Just that say that usually I never main character, but like, wow, I just woke up. Yawn! The birds are chirping. The sun is shining. Dead ass though, this is such a vibe. 12-year-old me would be screaming. 18-year-old me is screaming. Just like on the inside. This is the vibes right now. First walk in, you see the closet. We got the jackets and blazers, the dresses, all that stuff. You know, we got the pants, the sweatpants, all different colors, of course. We got the gym workout sets. We got the backpack up there. We got all of our shoes. This one has dog shit on it. Purses, bikinis and stuff. You know, these big fat windows. Oh my god. I put my notebooks there, a card game, and then my little setups here, and the bathroom. It's just wow.
Hold on, pause. I noticed a lot of you watch my videos and you don't even subscribe. Look at the percentage. What are you doing? Subscribing is free, and if you subscribe from this video and comment that down below, I will read your comment and like it, because guess what? A girlie reads every single one of her comments and she's not lying. Go look at the comments. Did she like all of her comments? Yep, she's not lying. Go subscribe and comment down below if you subscribe.
4 to 6 days later.
We're gonna head to the gym because I've been a little lazy lately. I've been going to the gym and then taking a day off, and then going to the gym and then taking a day off, which isn't good. And then we also need to go grocery shopping because I need protein. Got my little coffee and they gave it. It's like, y'all remember when everyone made whipped coffee? Busted. I ordered a breakfast because I kind of need to eat. You're not really supposed to eat before you work out, but whatever. Something light. I never ate beans like this. Just kidding. I think I have, but I don't remember. Anyways. Yeah, the bean isn't bad, but why would I want to eat a bean? Yo, tell me why I'm sitting down and I'm just like talking, and then I see two people stop and look, and then I look, and she's like, "Are you Mai?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she's like, "What the f are you doing here? Last time I checked, you were in New York." She's correct, but they were so sweet. They were telling us all about, what are the shops? Camden and Brickell. Yeah. They're telling us all about that, so we're gonna go there. But what's your names?
I'm Iga. Iga Besu.
And they've been helping me with what the f to do in London. Alright, we're at the Equinox right now, and oh my god, the convenience of having a gym membership all over the world is, I never thought about how convenient it would be, because imagine being
I never thought of it at all. Period.
Well, because whenever I used to travel, I would literally just have to go to a gym and ask them, be like, "Hey, do you guys have one-day memberships?" And a lot of places don't. Yeah. So this is just so nice to be able to just go on your phone. I don't know, I love it. Anyways, we're gonna hit legs. I'll vlog a little bit on my phone, but I'll see you in a sec. Currently, I'm trying to do hip thrusts, but they don't have one of those pads that are longer, so this is hurting my hips. They're stretching out here. If I hit this, it's gonna be a PR. What is in the air, bro? What is in the air? That was the best workout of my entire life. I'm not joking. I'm so confused right now. Oh my god, I love working out. That was awesome. I've worked out at the New York Equinox, LA's Equinox, and London. Now we just gotta hit Toronto and Vancouver, and we hit the whole maps for Equinox. But this is definitely the best vibes in an Equinox that I've been to. Cause even the Century City one in LA, it was nice, but the vibes were fake. No, but here, everyone actually works out here. It's different. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. You just have to experience it for yourself. It's so weird. Currently, we are headed to the grocery store. I need to buy some chicken. Why aren't these in the fridge? I'm so confused. Their eggs aren't in the fridge.
That's weird.
Whoa. All right, I guess. We're in this bitch trying to find things. It's so different here, looking for the protein amounts, and I was trying to find zero fat vanilla Greek yogurt, and it was so hard. I couldn't find it. Honestly, I don't even really know what to buy, because at the same time I still want to eat out, but I've got some things that I mostly eat. We gotta get some bread. Alright. We're back home now. I literally just sat down for a while. I feel weird. I don't know how to explain it. Do y'all want to see a haul or no? Eggs, pea protein, ground cumin for spice, broccoli, porridge, and granola, tofu, bananas, some rye bread, because they didn't have Dave's Killer bread, so this is the bread with the most protein. Salsa, grapes, organic superfood breakfast boost, 4 avocados for avocado toast, almond milk, garlic, and some oregano. Yo, I can't do this haul right now. I feel so weird. I feel I'm telling a little scary ghost story. Okay, basically, I'm okay now. I came to realizations that it was just I had the feeling of being uncomfortable, and little minor things were stressing me out without me realizing it. When I'm in the grocery store, I don't understand grams, and I don't understand these brands, and I'm looking for things. It stressed me so much. It stressed me out so much, the fact that I didn't know where things were, and that I couldn't understand the packaging, and I couldn't find what I'm used to finding when I go grocery shopping, so it was different, and it was stressing me out without realizing it. It was this whole time being in London, the roads are different, and it stresses me out, and I don't realize it, walking on the wrong side of the sidewalk or something, and kind of running into people and be oh, sorry, you know what I mean? It's because we don't realize it, and we don't have tourists to follow. We're the only people here basically that don't understand the culture that they have and just like the way that people here live. Like it's way different than Canada and America. I'm like, it's so different in like the most minor ways that you wouldn't even notice. It's crazy. I don't know how to explain it. I feel a lot better now. I'm really like a lot better. I'm so excited for tomorrow. Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. I just got ready and let me show you the fit. I'm gonna go to the gym, but these pants are Kanye's, I think. This top is from Set Active. I need to wear a sports bra because one of the balls to my nipple piercing fell out, and I don't want that to fall out on my boob, so I want that to stay in place. I got this jacket from, I think, I don't know, but we're about to head to the gym. We got to take the tube there, but after we head to the gym, I don't know what's up, but I kind of put some lashes on because I haven't done this in a while, but these are my favorite lashes. They like look just so like natural. Put some eyebrow gel in, a little lip tint on. We're gonna head over. I got my backpack. All right, we're ready to go. Hello everybody, I feel like I haven't vlogged in a minute and I don't know how to be a YouTuber anymore. What's up? So I've been like, oh my god, what do I do for my YouTube videos? Like my YouTube videos are so boring, but then I realized that you guys love the daily vlogs. So I'm just gonna vlog and take you along with me. Anyways, so I currently woke up, it's 2:03. I'm jet lagged, yes. And also I woke up at like 5 a.m. and made myself some salmon. I don't know why I did that, but I made myself some salmon at 5 a.m. with some broccoli because you know you gotta get the gains in, right? No? Anyways, so this is the mess that I need to clean up later, but I'm just about to upload a YouTube video because it's about to be 7 a.m. back in LA. But I'm gonna walk to the gym right now. Well, not walk, take the tube, which is the train to the gym. And then we're gonna go shopping, but kind of look like shit. I mean, like, I don't think I look like shit, but everyone in London thinks I look like shit. I feel like everyone's just looking at me because like everyone in London just like dresses so nice and looks so put together, and then there's me. Let's head out. Do you wanna be? I need coffee. Alright, where the f is the Starbucks? I usually don't care about vlogging places and stuff, but usually if I'm like uncomfortable vlogging, I'm like, at least there's like other tourists, but there's no fucking tourists here, y'all. Like, I am the only one and also the only person vlogging, so it's just I already stick out like a sore thumb, let alone having a fucking bright blue camera in my hand talking to an inanimate object. But it's not inanimate in my head, it's you guys. Oi, Harry Styles, where are you? You know, she wants to go find Harry Styles, so I think that's what you don't just put it on. No, but listen, I'm like, oh, it'd be cool to see Harry Styles, but she's doing her research. All those Twitter fan pages, y'all are helping her out. It's not even research, I already follow them. Alright, well, so she already knows where he is. Whatever, I don't care, I love him. Yeah, I love him so obviously I have that drive to go find him because she wants to find him so bad. So obviously I'm gonna put in the hard effort and work so that we can find him together. Yo, when I tell you, people are looking at me left and right now, I can't. Like, I really can't. Like, people are literally just staring as they sit down. It's fine though. Let's do a taste test. I asked for a sweet cream cold brew, and like they obviously don't have that on the menu, so she just tried to make it for me, which was so nice. But let's try it. It's literally just cold brew, my bad. No, it just has no sweetness. But I was expecting that because the coffee's literally black. But maybe I just gotta start drinking black coffee because coffee has so much sugar in it. And maybe I'm just getting fat because all the sugar. Well, I'm not getting fat, but you know, sugar has a lot of impact on your health. So maybe she should stop drinking so many coffees. Maybe she's just looking out for me. This is amazing. I'm out here just trying to blow dry my hair and watch some Ava Jules, and then I hear this noise and I'm like, is this my YouTube video playing? Wee. Not me just creeping the Equinox trainers on Equinox and finding their Instagrams and figuring out which one's the hottest one. Ugh. Oh my god, I'm so sad that I haven't been eating lately because usually I eat like fucking 5 meals a day, and lately I've only been eating like 2. And I'm like, jeez. Oh my god. My tongue is burnt because I want to eat this so bad. I just burnt my entire mouth, but it was so worth it. Oh my god, but I also got some chicken and some sweet potato because we got to get the protein in. We got the rice, but the chicken, we got the broccoli. Everything is so good.
Got a little ice caramel latte. I like wanted vanilla, but then I was like, I never get caramel. This is the best coffee I've had here.